How to add Klarna to Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on Payments to access the payment section of your Shopify store, and from there scroll down to Additional Payment Methods and click on Add Payment Method. Using the search bar, search for Klarna, and once you find it, click on it. And as you can see, it shows us that there are 3 providers offering this payment method, but we will just go with Klarna itself and click on Activate next to it. And once you're here, it will give you some information about Klarna, and you can even learn more when you go to their websites. And if you scroll down to the account status, you will see a green button that says Connect, so click on it. When you click on it, it will automatically install the app on your website, and after that you will need to activate it by going to the Klarna website and linking it to your by going to your Klarna account and then linking it. Once the app is installed, you can then go back to the Klarna website and link your account to your Shopify store. So that was it for this video. That's how you can link Klarna to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.